How to add film damage effect in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline. Go to the Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for damage. Drag and drop film damage effect into your video in timeline. With your video selected, open up the Inspector panel and click on Effects tab. Here you can add some blur to the video and change the temperature of the video. Also, you have some options for adding a vignette to the video. Scroll down and increase the density and the size of dirt to add more blacky dirt-like particles to the video. Under Scratch When you can change the position and the width of this black line. Also, you can check the Moving Scratch checkbox to animate it. Expand Scratches 2 and 3 and check the Enable checkbox. Then change their position and click on Moving Scratch to animate them. Now this film damage effect is completed, but let's add another effect and make it like 90s movies. Drag and drop analog damage into your video. Change the preset to one of the 90s. And now the effect is completed. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.